Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video we will install latest build 26H1 of Windows 11, and we will not only install latest Windows 11 26H1 but we will also discuss the amazing features that we have inside the 26H1. So let's start the video. And 26H1 is basically under testing phase and it is not launched officially. So I request you, if you want to install 26H1, so I request you to first install onto the test system, and if you are satisfied then you can install onto the main system. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go onto the Chrome browser, then UUP dump website, and just you have to click onto the website. Once you click onto the website, then you will have a Windows 11 builds. All the builds are available here, you can see that. So you can download as per your requirement, but in this video particularly we are talking about the latest update, which is the 26H1. So let's click on to 26H1, and then you will have a build of this one, Windows 11 version 26H1. This is the latest build, and 9th of December 2025 is the date of build. So it is the latest one. So let's click on that, and once you click it, then you will have to select your language and then click on to the next, and keep these checks as it is, because we will have both versions will be there and we can install the respected version accordingly. So hit next, and once you click onto the next, then we will have a create download package. So keep this option checked marked, download and convert to ISO. Once you click it, the zip file will be downloaded instantly, and then you have to cut this zip file. Let me put onto the desktop to ease out the process, and that's it, cut. And keep remember, when you will create a folder, don't give any space between the name. Try to create the folder and give the name of single name, right? Single word like test, or maybe Windows means you have to type just single word, because if there is a space between two words, it will give the error. So I already tested, that is why I'm telling you. Now you have to paste it here. Once you paste it, then you have to extract here. So you will have a lot of files, so ignore all these files, and you will have main file of UPP download Windows. So you have to just double click on it, run it, and then you will have to press R key, capital R, and then hit enter. So downloading process will be started, and it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour, rest depend on your internet speed. And once it is done, then you will have a ISO. So I have already done this process, and so I'm going to close it. So let me show you the inside the download folder. I have already done this. This is the folder. You can see that I removed the new folder. Basically I removed the space between the two words. So we have the ISO. You can see that this is the file, and let me show you. So this is the ISO file, and wow, what a size, 7.18. So now after that, sorry, I closed it mistakenly. So after that, we have to copy this ISO, and let me put onto the C drive in order to start the installation. Here we will create one folder, give the name bin, and then we have to paste here. So once it is done, I will back. File has been copied. Now we will right click on it and extract here. So it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. So extraction has been done, and then we have to open the command line, and then we have to navigate the C drive and Win folder. Then we have to type setup / product and hit enter. So once you hit enter, the installation will be started, and you will see that the installation wizard after that. And most importantly, I am repeating again that this is under testing phase. So don't do that on your main computer. You can try onto the testing computer, or you can try onto the testing VM, and you can check out the latest features of 26H1 build. So don't do that on your main computer. So just not right now. And then things are getting ready. So you can install this onto the test computer, and you can check out the latest features, and some of the features I will let you know after the installation, and you can enjoy 26H1 onto the test computer. Then we will have a license agreement. Accept. Now we have to keep files and settings as it is. Next. And finally we have the ready to install page, and then we click on to the install. So installation has been started, and it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once it is done, I will be back, and we will discuss about 2 interesting features of latest Windows. So see you shortly. So new build has been installed successfully, and you can see that. And we have to discuss some features. So most important features is basically you can debloat your Windows from the built-in feature. So if you go into the edit policy, and let me maximize it, and then you have to click onto the administrative template, and then you have to click onto the Windows components, and then you have to click onto the, let me show you, app deployment packages. So you can see that inside the app deployment packages you will have remove default Microsoft Store packages. So if you want to debloat your Windows, so you have to enable it, and then you have to debloat it. If you don't, I don't need Microsoft ClimpCheck, I don't need Microsoft Copilot, I don't need Microsoft, let's say, Photos, and you can select other options. Let's say I don't need Quick Assist, I need Paint obviously, and you can select other options as well if you don't want anything. So you can debloat according to your requirement and without any third-party tool. So you have to just apply it, and then okay, and once you restart it, then you will feel the changes. The second option is basically regarding the battery options, that you can also show the battery percentage just beside the battery icon. So I installed this Windows onto the VM, so that is the reason I don't have any battery option. But in your case you will have a battery option, and once you have the battery option, you have to click on to the battery, and then you will have a setting option, and once you scroll down it, you will have a battery percentage. So many other features are many other features are as well, obviously, but you have to explore that features by yourself. Or if you want to deep dive into the 26H1, if you want to deep dive, then you can mention in the comment. I will create a separate video for you guys, and we will deep down into the 26H1, and we will show you all the possible features. So in this video, I think 2 main features we have discussed. That is more than enough for now. But if you need a separate video, you can just mention in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.